Back home, first thing, let's check the batteries. We're going to use Top Don. I don't know who Top and who's the Don is, but I hear it's pretty good. First things first, you ask your husband to disconnect the batteries and get them ready. Okay, battery tester 9000 is online. Why don't you guys come see? So we have the tester on. We go to menu, we're gonna do battery test, enter, regular flooded, enter, that looks good, and then we'll do the tests. Let's see how good this battery is. All right, so if you guys can see it, it's rated good, but out of 850, it only has 627 cold cranking amps left, which is 54%, which is not ideal by my standards, or AKA my husband's standards. So yeah, let's check the next one, because apparently diesel trucks have two, in case you didn't know, because I didn't, but here we are. Magically, this one is prepared as well and ready to go. We'll connect this one. All right, battery tester's back online. Same thing, we're gonna go to menu, battery test selected, regular flooded selected, cold crank amp selected option, and this one is also 850 cold crank amp. So let's go ahead and test. Out of 850, this is only 491 cold crank amps left. 33% of its health. Even Top Don. I don't know again who Don is, but sounds like Don is pretty smart. I need to replace it. It's bad. What do we do next? Next, we call our husband and say, hey, I need new batteries. And then he buys you new batteries. So stay tuned for more tips on how to get your truck fixed. The first thing you need to do when you're going to get a battery is make sure your husband drives you to the store.
Who, me?
Resolution for this year, eat a lot more spinach to get stronger. The best hold down ever.
How you doing in this warm weather?
I'm not doing at all. It is
28?
no, I was gonna say it's hell. It's hell. It feels like hell. Yeah. Good day.